Now, gusto ko lang i-reiterate na lahat ng information na na-share ko dito sa video na to is not a financial advice. I'm not selling or encouraging everyone to buy this cryptocurrency or participate in this airdrop. Gusto ko lang i-share yung experience ko when I participated this Spacecoin airdrop based on my own research, okay? Sa buong channel ko, yung pinaka-intent ko kung bakit ako nagre-record, bakit ako gumawa nitong channel na to, and yung niche is cryptocurrency, is para pagdating ng araw, kapag tumanda na ako, meron akong pwedeng ipamana or ibigay na reference sa anak ko para meron siyang first-hand information galing mismo sa parent niya about cryptocurrency, okay? So, I'm hoping na kung ano man yung mga nalalaman ko ngayon sa cryptocurrency, sana balang araw mas maging magaling sa akin yung anak ko. Pero yun talaga yung pinaka-intent ko kung bakit ako gumagawa ng mga videos, okay? Ayan guys, good afternoon. Spacecoin airdrop news update tayo today. Ito yung date and time ng recording natin. Now, dito sa previous video natin regarding the Spacecoin airdrop, 5G and satellite internet DEPIN, decentralized physical infrastructure cryptocurrency use case yan guys. Now yung view na nakikita ninyo, yung Spacecoin natin is currently connected sa ating MetaMask non-custodial wallet, okay? Ayan, so connected yung ating Spacecoin airdrop website dito sa ating MetaMask. So kung makikita ninyo guys, dito sa ating missions, completed na natin yung 6 out of 8 and swerte kahapon nung saktong-saktong pag-check ko sa X or sa Twitter, merong post yung Spacecoin Twitter page regarding sa pangalawang event code na pwede natin gamitin para ma-complete yung mission dito sa Spacecoin airdrop, okay? So makikita natin dito sa isang post in the past 7 hours, hey, Spacecoin cadets, are 12M for no digital divide code just got absolutely crushed by 2,500 of you legends who grabbed those 12 bonus points. Okay, so nakuha natin yung 12 bonus points na yan and makikita natin yan dito. Ayan, so makikita ninyo meron tayong event code points, 12 points. Ayan. So sinwerte tayo kahapon. Nakakuha ako ng code kasi nung una, yung unang code na available lang sa 1,000 cadets, hindi ako nakaabot. So itong pangalawa, binantayan ko siya and sakto kahapon nakakuha tayo ng event code. So pwede nyo rin i-check itong Spacecoin X or Twitter account para ma-view and mabasa itong document na to. And makikita natin dito sa lower part na may note dito, please take time to learn about our pledge. If you've cared enough to read this far, you deserve to get some points in your airdrop program. Ayan, so nakita ko yesterday itong code na to. So ilalagay ko na rin sa video na to yung real-time recording nung yesterday kung saan successfully tayong nakapag input and na-accept yung ating event code for the Spacecoin airdrop, okay? Sabi pa dito, keep those notifications on because the next code could drop anytime. Okay, so disclaimer statement for our crypto bayanihan Web3 wallets. The content provided in this video is strictly for educational purposes and does not constitute financial, investment, legal, or professional advice, okay? We do not promote or solicit the purchase or sale of any cryptocurrencies, tokens, exchanges, or financial instruments. All the information shared on our YouTube channel is published in good faith and are intended to help viewers understand blockchain and Web3 technologies. Thank you.